In this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways to make money with web scraping. For this purpose, we'll use 3 automation tools, but there are more. Find the links in the video description. Click the like button to support the channel. And if you're into web automation and data extraction, subscribe for more bot tutorials. Let's start. Part 1. How to make money scraping data from search engines. To make money by scraping data from search engines, use the Google Search Scraper. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster. Create a free Botster account and log in. Open the Google Search Scraper's page and click on the green button to start the bot. Enter your search query. Specify how many results you need to scrape. For example, 20. Enter your location. For example, the United States. Select notification type: email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, webhook, or Zapier. Launch the bot into action. Done. Click on CSV, Excel, or JSON to save the extracted Google search results to your computer, or click on View Data to open the results online. We've exported the top 20 websites of American universities with their positions on Google Search. Money-making tip: scrape websites that rank low on search engines. Offer your search optimization services to them. Make these websites skyrocket and earn money. Part 2. How to make money scraping data from social networks. To make money by scraping data from social networks, use the LinkedIn Profile Extractor. Select how many job experiences you need to export. For example, up to 10. Select which career details you'll need to export. Enter links to people's LinkedIn profiles. Launch the bot into action. Done. We've exported all embracing career details from people's LinkedIn profiles. Money-making tip: scrape tons of candidates' profiles in seconds. Speed up your recruiting workflow and save your precious time. Time is money. Part 3. How to make money web scraping e-commerce websites. To make money by scraping data from e-commerce websites, use the Amazon Search Extractor. Enter your target product. For example, iPhone case. Select your location. For example, the United States. Select your language. For example, English. Launch the bot into action. Done. We've exported a list of iPhone cases offered on Amazon, including product names, prices, and more. Money-making tip: scrape and analyze your competitors' prices. Improve your own pricing strategy. Sell more products and earn more money. Sign up on Botster and make money with tons of other powerful bots. If you found this video to be useful, click the like and subscribe buttons for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.